Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel jobs online. We'll start by identifying the most sought-after Excel skills that employers are looking for in remote roles. Then, we'll explore the best online platforms where you can find these opportunities. Finally, I'll guide you through optimizing your application materials to stand out and secure your next great Excel position. Let's dive in. To succeed in online Excel jobs, focus on core skills. Employers often seek proficiency in advanced formulas such as VLOOKUP and index match for efficient data retrieval. Strong data analysis using pivot tables is crucial, as is the ability to build clear, dynamic charts and dashboards. Don't forget data validation and conditional formatting to ensure data integrity and readability. Finding the right platform is key. Freelance sites like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent for project-based work, offering flexibility. For more traditional remote positions, major job boards such as LinkedIn and Indeed are invaluable resources. Also, consider specialized platforms focusing on data entry or analysis. Networking in online professional communities can also uncover hidden opportunities. Your application needs to shine. Customize your resume for each job, emphasizing specific Excel skills and relevant experience. A portfolio demonstrating your Excel projects, perhaps with dashboards or complex analyses, can be a huge advantage. Practice common Excel interview tasks to show your practical skills. Always highlight your problem-solving and analytical abilities to impress potential employers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.